Using Python libraries. As our program become larger and more complex, the need to organize our code become greater. We have already learned in function chapter that large and complex programs should be divided into functions that perform a specific task. As we write more and more functions in a program, we should consider organizing of functions by storing them in modules. A module is simply a file that contains Python code. When we break a program into modules, each module should contain functions that perform related tasks. Commonly used modules that contain source code for generic needs are called libraries. When we speak about working with libraries in Python, we are, in fact, working with modules that are created inside library or packages. Thus, a Python program comprises three main components. First one, library or package, second one, module, and third one, function or subroutine. What is the relationship between module, package, and library in Python? A module is a file containing Python definitions, functions, variables, classes, and statements. Python package is simply a directory of Python modules, whereas library is a collection of various packages. Conceptually, there is no difference between package and Python library. In Python, a library is used to loosely describe a collection of core or main modules. Commonly used Python libraries: Math module provides mathematical functions. CMath module, C denotes complex numbers. That's why this provides functions for complex numbers. Random module for generating random numbers. Statistics module provides functions for statistical operations. URL uniform resource locator library provides URL handling functions so that you can access websites from within your program. NumPy library. This library provides some advanced math functionalities along with tools to create and manipulate numeric arrays. SciencePy library, another useful library that offers algorithmic and mathematical tools for scientific calculations. tkinter library provides traditional user interface toolkit and helps you to create user-friendly GUI interface for different types of applications. Here GUI, graphical user interface. Matplotlib library provides functions and tools to produce quality output in variety of formats such as plot, charts, graph, etc. What is module? Act of partitioning a program into individual component is called modularity. A module is a separate unit in itself. It reduces its complexity to some degree. It creates number of well-defined documented boundaries within program. It contents can be reused in other program without having to rewrite or recreate them. Structure of Python module. A Python module is simply a normal Python file with extension of .py and contains functions, constants and other elements. Python module may contains following objects. First one, docstring, triple quoted comments useful for documentation purpose. Variables and constants for storing values. Classes to create blueprint of any object. Objects, object is an instance of class. It represents class in real world. Statements are instructions. Functions are group of statements. Composition or structure of Python module. Module can contain variables, functions and classes. Function can contain variables and classes can contain members and methods. It can import other Python module and that module can also import some other Python module. We can import as many modules as we require. Importing Python modules. To import entire module, import then module name. Here import is keyword. For example, import math. We are importing here math module. To import a specific function object from module, then we have to write from keyword, then module name, then import, then function name. For example, from math, then import, then function name sqrt, square root. Import can be used to import all names from module into current calling module. Assessing function or constant of imported module. To use function, constant, variables of imported module, we have to specify module name and function name separated by dot. This format is known as dot notation. We have to write module name dot function name. For example, math dot square root. Before this, if we write print, then it will print the square root of 25, that will be 5. Here we can run this program, import math, print math dot square root, print math dot log 10 of 100. Here we can see that after import math, we have to qualify the name of function with name of package using dot notation. Then we will get the output 5 and 2. Square root of 25 is 5. Log 10 of 100 is 2. Example from module import function. By this method, only particular method will be added to your current program. We need not to qualify name of method with name of module. For example, from math, import square root, print square root of 25. Here function square root is directly written. If we write from math, import square root, print square root of 25, and then print log 10 of 100, it will produce error. Log 10 will produce error because we have not imported log 10. We have just imported the square root. Example from module import asterisk. It is similar to importing the entire package as import package, but by this method, qualifying each function with module name is not required. If we want to import all the module functions within our program, then we can write from math import star print sqrt 25, print log 10 of 100. We will get the output 5 and 2. Definitely. We can also import multiple elements of modules, as from math import sqrt, log 10 and so on. We will get the same results.